Good morning to SSE students. Today we're gonna finish Activity 2 of Chapter 3, Nutritional Diseases, Characteristics, Causes, and Prevention of Unit 1, Nutrition and Health. To continue Activity 2, Diseases of Excessive Food Intake, Cardiovascular Diseases. Please open your biology books to page 46. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol first can be either good cholesterol, like what we call HDL, or bad cholesterol, or what we call the LDL. Cholesterol is one of the constituents of the cell membrane. As you see in the next picture, you're able to see the membrane of our cells, a picture that is a schematic diagram of what our cellular membranes are made up of. You can notice that there are two layers of lipids. The lipid molecules are the pink sphere connected to the two green chains, and each one of them is considered to be one lipid molecule. Between these lipid molecules, you're able to notice every now and then the yellowish cholesterol molecule, and this is why cholesterol is the constituent of the cellular membrane, because it is integrated in our membranes. Cholesterol also is a precursor of sexual hormones and certain vitamins like vitamin D. You need to keep in mind that it's definitely insoluble in the blood plasma, and therefore it binds to huge protein molecules, forming what we call lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are two types. They can either be HDL or the LDL, those two lipoproteins that we previously mentioned. We're going to start first with the HDL. The HDL stands for high density lipoproteins. You need to know that these are the good cholesterol, and that 13% of the molecule, is made up of cholesterol. You need also to know that it has a protective role which prevents the accumulation of cholesterol in the blood, and therefore leads to low risk of cardiovascular diseases. In the picture to the right, you're able to see some examples of the top foods that increase the good cholesterol in our body, that increase the HDL. The second type of lipoproteins is the LDL, which stands for low density lipoprotein. It is the bad cholesterol that we covered before. 55% of this molecule is made up of cholesterol, and this type of lipoprotein provides cholesterol for all the body cells. It may deposit on the internal walls of the arteries, which can lead to accumulation and therefore formation of a plaque. As a result, this can lead to high risk of cardiovascular diseases. In the next picture on the right, you're able to see different examples of foods that can increase the LDL in the human body. We're gonna list few risk factors that are linked to coronary morbidity, or what we consider cardiovascular diseases. Hypercholesterolemia, which is the increased levels of cholesterol, specifically LDL. Heredity, it can be genetically transferred. Arterial hypertension, or what we call high blood pressure. Gender, smoking, age, stress, diabetes, and obesity. Keep in mind that not all these risk factors can be controlled. Kindly note that you're supposed to copy the previous slides neatly on your copybooks, and you have a homework that is due tomorrow in this slide, shown in this slide and in the following slide. We'll finish this chapter in the next video next week. Good luck and thank you.